In this video, I'll show you how to duplicate or clone a web app project in Base44. First, open the project you want to copy. At the top, switch from Preview to Dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, scroll down and click on Settings. From here, go to App Settings. On the right-hand side, scroll down until you see the option called Clone App. Click on it, and Base44 will immediately start creating a duplicate of your project. This is useful if you want to experiment with changes while keeping the original project safe. You'll see the cloned project marked with Copy in its name. To rename it, open the project, go back into the dashboard, and click on the pencil icon next to the project name. Enter a new name, for example, Business Flow version 2. Then click the check mark to save. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated your web app project in Base44. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more Base44 guides.